Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Choose Get Started, click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, tap OK again, and select Input Options. Over here, tap on LED keyboard one more time, and pick one of the options. Now you can pick theme that you like the best and click on it. I will go with that one, so I will click on it and close on that. All you need to do from here is click on Download Theme and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!